Sindh Police Crackdown on Drug and Gutka-Maawa Mafias yields major success. Karachi. Under the chairmanship of Inspector General Sindh Police, Ghulam Nabi Memon, a high-level meeting revealed significant progress in the province-wide crackdown against drug and gutka-maawa mafias. According to the report, out of 316 A+ category drug mafia operators identified this year, 285 have already been arrested. Police successfully destroyed 27 out of 31 major dens, while 60 out of 69 mafias operating near educational institutions were also taken down. The DIG Special Branch further disclosed that 142 out of 163 large-scale gutka-maawa mafias, along with 38 out of 63 online networks, have been dismantled. In August alone, police apprehended 88 of the 100 most notorious mafias, all of whom face multiple criminal cases. Meanwhile, the additional IGCTD highlighted that financial investigations have uncovered links between these mafias' money trails and terror financing. In response, IG Sindh directed that complete scrutiny of financial records be carried out, and upon confirmation, cases should be referred to the FIA for further legal action.